My name is Johnson Usman, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I represent the petitioners, that is Senator nnamdikanu and PDP. What transpired in court today is simple. The matter was adjourned today for adoption of final addresses filed by parties. And we have adopted, and the judgment is reserved to a date to be communicated to parties. We are in court asking the court to, one, disqualify Senator Uzodinma on the ground that is not qualified to contest the election, and having contested an election that is not qualified to contest, he should be disqualified. And then the remaining candidates who participated in the election and are qualified, who has met the constitutional requirement, should be declared as winner, and that is my client. In the alternative, the court should nullify the entire election for being a sham and order a rerun in the 27 local governments of Imo State.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.